Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start crypto trading. First, it's essential to grasp the basics of cryptocurrencies and understand that the market can be quite volatile. Take time to research various digital assets and their underlying technologies before you commit any funds. A smart approach is to start with a small, manageable amount, perhaps $50 or $100, to get comfortable with the process and learn how everything works. Next, you'll need to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Look for platforms known for their robust security measures and user-friendly interfaces. After selecting an exchange, you'll typically complete a Know Your Customer, or KYC, process to verify your identity. Once verified, you can fund your account using various methods, such as a bank transfer or a debit card, to get your capital ready for trading. Now for the exciting part, making your first trade. Start by placing a small buy order for a widely recognized cryptocurrency. Take some time to understand different order types, such as market orders, which execute immediately, and limit orders, which let you set a specific price. Always prioritize security. Enable two-factor authentication on your exchange account to protect your assets from unauthorized access. Finally, effective risk management is crucial. A golden rule is to never invest more money than you are prepared to lose, as crypto markets can be unpredictable. Consider diversifying your portfolio across different assets to help spread out potential risks. Remember, continuous learning is key in this evolving space. Also, for some great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.